Okay, this is Ken Stanley, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to message your friends and make sure that they update their voter registration. Today I'm going to be sending a message to my good friend Vanita Shoulders, and I'm looking at this and yeah, she's about 58, 252 Park Avenue. I'm not sure that's where she lives, but yeah, I think maybe she lived there at one point. This is the message here that I'm going to send to her. This is the message here that I'm going to send to her. I'm working with a group of friends here in Mansfield to make sure that we are all properly registered to vote so that we can defeat Trump in 2020. You're registered at 252 Park Avenue East, Mansfield. Is that your correct address? So we're going to go and we're going to do that right now. We're going to click on that, which will open it. Now we're going straight to Vanita's Facebook account. And before I did that, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take that message. I'm going to click Command C on an Apple, Command C, Control C on a PC. And I'm going to come over here, and I'm in her. Now I've already clicked on that. I'm in her message, in her Facebook page. I'm going to message her. I'm going to come here. I'm going to click like that. And then I'm going to click it, and I'm going to send. And that's just really all there is to it. We'll wait for her to respond, and look at that. She did.